an AI-driven higher educational campus like we're here at the University of Texas in Dallas. And I am here with an expert in this domain, with Sudheer Matta. You're the Group Vice President of Product Management for AI-driven enterprises at Juniper. And we are going to dive in how the University of Texas in Dallas get great user experiences for the professors, for their students, and for all the facility people that work over here. Let's dive into it. Can you explain how the University of Texas here in Dallas gets the best user experience?
First of all, Ron, thank you for the time. Really appreciate the opportunity. You know, Wi-Fi is and networks are basically like utilities on higher ed, right? They just have to be always on and always work.
Correct.
And so what we have done with Juniper, with the AI-driven enterprise technology, is we've brought AI such that we could optimize the network to work well in a high-density environment like higher education. Higher education, universities are the melting pots of network. I mean, every Christmas, every semester, they get new devices, and it's all over the map in terms of the demand on the network. So what we've done is really apply AI to make the network self-organizing, self-optimizing, and perform at a high level all the time. And so we've done really well, especially, you're coming from Netherlands, in the Europe, University of Oxford, University of Bristol, University of Plymouth, University of Amsterdam, a lot of higher ed. In the US here, lots of universities that we've actually deployed at. Of course, we are here at the host, University of Texas, Dallas. They've had the network now for about 3-4 years. It's been a great experience so far.
And they're with 20,000 students over here, and some have 3, 4, 5 devices. So what is really required for a university like this? What do they need from infrastructure? What do they need from wireless access points?
Yeah, so what they do is typically it starts with the wired network. The switching network has to be robust, rock solid, has to be able to power the access points. A lot of universities still run legacy, switching platforms. So what UT Dallas here did is they first upgraded the infrastructure away from Cisco to Juniper switching. And that became the foundation and started plugging in building by building. Literally, the migration that was done here, it started in the IT building. Literally, you plug in a few APs and, leave the rest of the network the same way. Student experience is the same. They can roam across the Cisco and the Juniper networks while doing the migration. And that's what they've done. They've organically grown, deploying access points in these buildings slowly into the campus, and we're now fully deployed on the UT Dallas campus here.
Yeah, and we started with the AI-driven enterprise, the AI-driven campus, basically.
That's right.
Can you explain how Juniper is helping such universities with this AI?
Yeah, so the AI fundamentally has let's say 3 primary drivers. First things first, we want to make this to be the fastest deployment you have ever done on campus. You ask any university that has deployed Juniper Mist, they will tell you this is the fastest deployment they have ever done of networking on campus, number 1. Number 2, we want you to have the fewest tickets on campus, meaning student open tickets, right? So a lot of universities, UMass Amherst, University of Texas, Dallas, Arlington, they've measured over 90% reduction in student open tickets. So first, make it fast to deploy, make it easy to deploy. Second, the fewest complaints from the user. But the third thing that we are doing on higher education campuses like UT Dallas and UT Arlington is we want to make the campus a rich digital platform. We want you to walk into a campus and feel like the campus can speak to you, digitally speaking. So we're deploying location-based services on higher education campuses. If you're a new student on campus and you want to find the next classroom you need to go to, if you're a parent on campus visiting a student and you want to do a tour of the campus, you have a self-driven mobile app that you could tour the campus with turn-by-turn indoor and outdoor navigation. So digitizing the campus, fewer tickets, better user experience, and then easy to deploy and operate for IT.
Yeah, and the students, they don't care. As long as it's working very well, that's what they need. And we have seen it ourselves. We had a great tour over here, and we have heard it from the speakers today.
Yeah.
Very, very, very insightful. Thanks a lot for the tour. Thanks a lot for the insights and for the audience. Thank you for watching, and we're looking forward to seeing you next time.
Thank you.